Dito sa Pure Foods, yung kanilang import, always Reda to rumble. Yeah, Reda Ralimi. You know, yung first few games niya, nagtataka yung mga Pure Foods fans. Tama ba na pinalitan nila itong si Darius Rice? Well, if you checked out the last game, Pure Foods was absolutely right in getting Ralimi, who actually outplayed itong si Adam Parada.
Reda Ralimi, he did not start strong in his start here dito sa PBA. Ang maganda dito kay Reda Ralimi, habang tumatagal, mas gumaganda yung laro niya. Ibang-iba doon sa nangyari kay Darius Rice. Remember, Darius Rice started the league like a house on fire and then all of a sudden, ended with a whimper. Ito, kanina nakakita nga natin, mga numero niya. Maganda na nung last game, 21 and 15. He's almost halfway there. The first quarter pa lang nakikita natin.
Welcome to the second quarter. Live from the Cuneta Astrodome. Nico Halili kasama si Jason Webb, Magu Marjan. And in a moment, we'll also be joined by Peaches Abirin. Starting the second quarter for Pure Foods, Chico Lanete, Roger Yap, Peter June Simon, Enrico Villanueva, and Reda Ralimi. There's a swipe by Ritualo. Sends it over to Cardona, chased by Villanueva, and Cardona will miss. That's last touch on the phone pass.
Couple of layups already missed, but it's on both sides. Kanina nagmintis si Chico Lanete ng layup. Ngayon naman, Mac Cardona. Not often that you see that. Those are things that get you down, especially when you're in a long losing streak. As we look at the field goals in the first quarter, going the way of the phone pass, but rebounds, ang laki ng diferensya.
That shot by Simon was swatted away by Terrence Leather. Balat yan, Gen Y. International pa ang mga design. Here's Villanueva, and that time, hindi na inabot ni Terrence Leather, who now wants the ball. And then he loses it.
Apparently he didn't want it that much, Miko.
Here's Roger Yap with a sidestep beauty. It's the specialty of the house.
Good job on Don Aliado. Alam mo nang kung anong gagawin ni Roger Yap to sa sitwasyon na yun. Like you said, that's his specialty, yung sidestep na yun. Getting his position and drawing that offensive foul.
Alamin natin ang pinag-usapan sa Talking Text Huddle from Magu Marja.
Coach Chot Reyes wants to get Mac Cardona going. Kinausap siya ni Coach Chot, sama mo na si Don Aliado. Naatakin daw ng atakin itong si Roger Yap. Sinasabihan nila na kayang-kaya niya to at kung sino mga defender ang ihagi sa kanya, and the teammates will help him. So let's look out for a more aggressive Mac here in the second.
They're trying to ride on the aggressiveness of Mac Cardona.
That's also one of the problems para sa Talking Text to actually find out whose day it is. Nandyan na pwedeng uminit si Reda Ritualo, si Mac Cardona, and of course their import. And these are guys that need the basketball to be productive.
Missed by Leather. Here's a fast break, and Simon loses the ball. Could have been hammered right there. Six points ang lamang dito ng Pure Foods. 29-23. 15 to shoot. And Simon with nowhere to go. Last touch on Pure Foods.
And Pure Foods is trying to attack the defense of Renren Ritualo. Couple of possessions.